I, j, k, l, n, o, p, q, r, s, t, a, v, w, x, y, z, a, e, I, o, a. These 5 are the vowel letters. A as in at, add, yes, add, add, ax, apple, b as in bad, bad, bean, egg, beg, bird, bed, eat, rabbit, as in can, cab, can, cab, come, up, cup, carpet, dam, dig, den, dot, mad, dog, daddy, egg, let, nest, red, keep learning. Fin, fan, farm, eat, feet, fog, curve, gum, get, gift, God, ham, hen, eat, habit, human, hip, ig, big, ink, in, sheep, insect. I, 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 I. J, j, j. A, jam. J, I, gym. J, e, jet. J, a, k, jack. J, 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 j. K, k, k. I, king. I, kid. Kid. K, o, l, a, n, a, t. Kola nut. Kola nut. K, a, n, g, a, r, u. Kangaroo. K, e, n, can. K, 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 k. L, 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 o, t, lot. F, e, l, fell. L, I, p, lip. L, a, g, lag. D, I, l, deal. L, e, t, let. L, 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 l. Do you need someone to help you learn how to read, write, and speak well? Send a message to us on WhatsApp to get the help you need today. God bless you. O, mom. A, mom. S, a, t, smart. S, a, Sam. I, a, I, yummy. Yummy. Mm, 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 mm. Keep learning. Do you have any difficulties when it comes to writing and reading? Send a message to us on WhatsApp. We can help you learn how to read and write with ease. Yes, you can do it. Send a message today. God bless you. Ot, not. S, t, nest. Ag, nag. S, a, p, snap. S, k, I, skin. Don't think you cannot read and write. You can do it. Take the bold step today. Send a message to us on WhatsApp to get the help you need. You will learn with ease. O, ox, ox. F, og, fog. F, r, o, nt, front. O, g, a, organ. Organ. S, o, sun. Sun. O, 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 o. Keep learning. You get it someday. Don't ever give up. There is nothing you cannot do when you believe in yourself. A, pap. I, g, pig. R, a, p, rap. T, r, I, p, trip. A, p, l, apple. Apple. P, 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 p. Keep learning. Qu, qu. Q cannot walk alone, so I need to put this. Yes. Qu, qu, qu. A, k, quack. Qu. E, queen. Do you think you cannot read? No, you can. You are never too old to learn. You are never too old to learn. You just need a good teacher to teach you, and that is why we are here. You can send a message to us on WhatsApp to get the help you need. We got you. Oats, quotes. Quiz. Send a message to us today and you will learn. You will be able to learn how to read, write, and speak well. God bless you. Ram. Run. Crib. Ray. Red. Rub. Don't ever think you cannot read. Don't ever think you cannot learn. Yes, as long as you have a head, you can learn. Send a message to us on WhatsApp to get the help you need today. If you snooze, you lose. God bless you. If you know you cannot read and write well, and you are not happy about it, get help from us. We will help you. Send a message to us on WhatsApp. Don't keep quiet. A closed mouth is a closed destiny. Get the help you need today. You can read. It's because you have not taken the right step. We can help you. Sam. Class. Basic. Safe. So. Send a message today. Tap. I cannot read. I cannot write well. No problem. Help is here. All you need to do is send a message to the number you see on WhatsApp. WhatsApp message only to get the help. Yes, you will know it in no time, with ease, from the comfort of your home. It's possible. Let's go. Rat. Settle. Pete. Steal. Learning is living. Jug. Undo. Slum. Umbrella. If you cannot read and write, you're missing a lot. Yes, you need to do all your best to learn how to read and write well. Van. I5. Vest. Vlog. Keep learning. Don't stop it. w, a, g, wag, s, w, I, swing, w, o, wrong, w, e, d, wed, w, e, s, t, west, w, 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 w. Learn how to read and write well. It is very important to your life. Get help from us today. X. This letter can give us three sounds. Yes, it can give us the X. It can sound X. X. It can sound Z. Z. This first one, X. It sounds X when we use it at the beginning of abbreviated words or words that are scientific. Yes, words in science. So, X. Xmas. This is the short form of Christmas. X, R, A, X-ray. This X can sound X
at the end or in the middle
of a real word. So we have T, A, X, tax, A, X, E, S, axis, F, O, X, fox, X, 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 X. Stay with me. The third sound, which is Z, X can sound Z at the beginning of a word. So we have Z, I, L, E, xylem, Z, I, L, O, O, xylophone. So Z, Z, X, 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 X. I hope you have learned something. Don't forget to like, follow, and share with your friends. Letter Y can give us Y sound. It can give us I sound. It can give us E sound. So it gives Y at the beginning of the word. Y, a, yam, y, et, yet. It will give us I sound
at the end or in the middle.
R, I, cry. D, I. This E is silent. D, I, die. It will give us E sound
at the end or in the middle
of a word. So we have B, A, B, E, baby. S, E, B, symbol, symbol. E, I, E. Keep learning. If you need someone to help you learn how to read and write well, send a message to us on WhatsApp. Only for those that are serious to learn. Z, 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 U, Z, Z, E, B, R, A, zebra. Qu, qu, E, Z, quiz. K, R, E, Z, E, crazy. R, E, Z, freeze. Z, 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 Z. Keep learning. God bless you.